Good day, everyone. I am your presenter for this afternoon. This afternoon, our topic is all about personal protective equipment. We have three objectives. First, define the primary purpose of PPE in the workplace and its role in preventing injuries. Second, recognize and categorize various types of PPE such as head protection, eye and face protection, respiratory protection, etc. Last, identify the types of PPE that may be used in the workplace. What is personal protective equipment? Is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. Ano nga po ba ang personal protective equipment? Ginagamit po natin ito kapag po tayo ay nagtatrabaho upang ma-minimize nga po yung exposure po natin sa mga aksidente na magkakos po ng injuries or accident po sa atin. Kaya dapat po kapag po tayo ay nagtatrabaho, nagsusot po tayo ng mga personal protective equipment. Types of personal protective equipment. First, eye protection. Second, hearing protection. Third, hand protection. Fourth, foot protection. Fifth, head protection. Sixth, respiratory protection. And last is body protection. First, eye protection. Provides a barrier to infectious materials entering the eye and is often used in conjunction with other personal protective equipment, such as gloves, gowns, masks, or respirators. Ito po yung mga eye protection. Ginagamit po ang eye protection para ma-protect po yung ating mga mata, maiwasan po na mapasukan po ng dumi ang ating mata. Kaya dapat po nagsusuot po tayo ng eye protection. Next is hearing protection. Hearing protectors are required to prevent noise-induced hearing loss. Hearing protection devices reduce the noise energy reaching and causing damage to the inner ear. Ayan, ito naman po yung mga hearing protection. Ginagamit naman po natin ang hearing protection para ma-protect po naman yung ating mga ear para maiwasan po na magka-damage kasi hindi po natin alam baka po mamaya sa sobrang ingay po dun sa workplace sa ginagalawan natin ay nagkaka-damage po yung ating mga tenga. Kaya kailangan po natin magsuot ng hearing protection. Next, hand protection. Must be selected and used when personnel may be exposed to certain hazards such as working with harmful substances, dry or liquid that can be absorbed through the skin or that can cause skin irritation, chemical burns, or similar conditions. So, iyan naman po yung mga hand protection. Gumagamit naman po tayo ng hand protection para maiwas po na masugatan po yung ating mga kamay. Katulad po nito, sabi po dito, that can be absorbed through the skin or that can cause skin irritation, chemical burns, or similar conditions. Kaya, need din po natin magsuot ng hand protection. Next is foot protection. Is any piece of personal protective equipment protecting one's foot from any injury while at work or during movement. The foot is a vital part of our body and since we are on our feet constantly from day to day, they are more susceptible to injury. Ayan, ito naman po yung foot protection. Sabi po dito, ayan po, the foot is a vital part of our body. Kaya po dapat nagsusot po tayo ng foot protection para makaiwas po na makaapak po tayo ng mga bagay na pwede pong sugat po sa ating paa. For example po itong nasa picture na ito. Kapag po nakaapak po tayo ng pako, magkakos po yun ng injury. Hindi po natin matatapos yung ating trabaho. Kaya magsusuot po dapat tayo ng foot protection. Next is head protection. Is an item of personal protective equipment which is generally designed to protect the scalp area and sometimes the jaw as well. The face is generally not covered by head protection and eye protection. Ayan, ito naman po yung picture ng mga head protection. Ang head protection po naman, ginagamit po natin para ma-protect po yung ating ulo na makaiwas po na may bumagsak po sa ating ulo kaya dapat nagsusuot po tayo ng head protection. Next is respiratory protection. Is a particular type of personal protective equipment used to protect the individual wearer against the inhalation of hazardous substances in the workplace air. Ito po yung picture ng respiratory protection. Ang respiratory protection naman po, ginagamit natin para ma-protect po yung ating mga respiratory. Maiwasan po na makalanghap po tayo ng mga chemical dahil di po natin alam kung nakakabuti po ba yung malalanghap natin yun. Kaya need po natin magsuot ng respiratory protection. Next is body protection. Protective covering used to prevent injury to the body. Yan. Ito po yung mga picture ng body protection. So, need din po natin na magsuot ng body protection para nga po ma-minimize po yung hazards na pwede pong mangyari sa atin. Kaya, dapat nagsusuot po tayo ng body protection. So, importance of personal protective equipment. Safety equipment is designed to help you and your workers avoid getting hurt on the job, or at least minimize the physical effects of an accident or workplace incident if it occurs. Without proper safety equipment, you and your workers significantly increase your risk of getting hurt. So, gaano nga po ba ka-importante na nagsusuot po tayo ng mga protective equipment kapag po tayo ay nasa work? Mahalaga po na nagsusuot tayo nito para tayo man po ay maka-encounter po na accident sa atin pong trabaho, hindi po siya ganon kataas yung chance na tayo po ay sobrang ma-damage po dahil po tayo nakasuot ng personal protective equipment. Kaya po dapat kapag po tayo ay nagwo-work, magsusuot po tayo ng mga protective equipment para po ma-minimize po yung mga hazards na pwede po na ma-encounter natin. So, I have here a picture. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Thank you so much.